Have you ever felt shortage of words while expressing some situation or a person's behavior? Then this video is for you. Animals have always encouraged humans to create amazing idioms to express their ideas in a non-literal way. So let's begin. Raining cats and dogs, meaning raining heavily. Its origin goes back to 17th century when cats and dogs were common pets, and during heavy rainfall, people would exclaim, "It's raining, get the cats and dogs inside." Over the time, this phrase was abbreviated to "It's raining cats and dogs." Mouse potato means a person who spends a lot of time in front of screen connected to internet. Now you tell me, are you a mouse potato? Bee's knees, meaning excellent and of highest quality. Women of 1920s used to compare anything they considered best to a part of an animal. Challenge time. Add a suitable idiom which you have learned from this video in this blank and type in the comment box.